मैं क्लास शुरू करती हूँ. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Botany Insider's new marathon class. So today we'll be discussing few of the general aptitude question, and I'm really sorry for shifting the time of the class to 5:30 for today. I have some urgent work, so I have to take the class at this time. So those of you who are going to watch the recordings, please make sure if you find any difficulty in any of the question, you can WhatsApp me either on the number, or you can write down your doubts in the comment sections. Okay, so in this class I'll be taking up few of the questions and I'll let you go through all the pointers very nicely. Okay, let's begin. So before starting the video, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In addition, we also have our own application. You can download from the App Store, you can download from the Play Store, both of them. It is available both on the Android as well as on the iOS, right? In addition to that, we also have our own website, so you can explore our website with the help of www.botanyinsider.com. Okay, so this was the main information I wanted to give you. Let's move ahead. If you are targeting the June examination, so we have a previous year question session going on. You can download the app and get yourself enrolled in this. The classes timing is 8:30 to 10 early morning. All recordings would be available, and we are doing all the previous year questions in a complete depth, like solving out every question, understanding the main web of the question, etc. So if you wish to, you can download the app and get yourself enrolled. We have a number of other courses as well, and we are about to start our December course. Yes, for the December 2023, the full course is about to start. You'll get the notification in a day or two. Okay, so if you wish to join in that, you can join our WhatsApp group. We have made a WhatsApp group for the same. You can pre-register there and get extra discount during the enrollment time. Okay, so we have 5 students in the class. This is the very first question for you all. The question is, of the 4 agents, we have alpha, beta, gamma and delta. 3 of them need to be sent on a mission, right? Question is asking, if alpha and the beta cannot go together, if beta and gamma cannot go together, and gamma and delta cannot go together, then which of the following options given to you would be correct one? Okay, 4 options in front of you, 5 students in the class. Everyone give it a try to this question. Everyone give it a try. 5 students in the class. It's a June 2019 question. Read the question carefully, understand what is asked to you, and try to correlate it with the help of the options given. Okay, then we'll solve it out together. Okay, very good. Others also give it a try. Six students in the class. Make sure you all are participating, right? So the question is saying there are 4 agents, alpha, beta, gamma and delta. They need to be sent on a mission. Okay, and in a mission, 3 of them need to be sent. But these are the 3 possibilities. These are the 3 main things that we have to keep in mind. First one is that alpha and beta cannot go together. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's make all the combinations possible with 3 agents and let's see whether the mission is possible or not. So alpha, beta, gamma, first possibility, beta, gamma, delta, second, third, alpha, delta and gamma. Okay, so these are the only possibilities in which a mission could be made with 3 of them, right? Now point is, in the first case alpha and beta cannot go together, so this mission is not possible with this combination. Then beta and gamma cannot go together, we have this condition given to us, so again this one is not possible. Then alpha and delta, like this and this can go together, but these 2 together cannot go, right? So we'll say that this particular mission is impossible in all the conditions that could be made out of the 4 possibilities, right? So D is the correct answer for this particular question. It's a simple one, basic question, right? Next question for you all. You're given the question in which you are given a rectangular box, and then you are making this box into a box with corners, and you need to find out the capacity of the resultant box. Okay, everyone give it a try to this question now. 5 students in the class, give it a try to this. Give it a try to this question, everyone. 7 students in the class. Many students are not able to join today because I have changed the class timing because of some urgent work. But do not worry, from tomorrow the class timing will be the same. Okay, please adjust for today itself. See, okay, other students also, please give it a try. Okay, let's see the answer for this particular question. See, the question is saying what? The question is saying that, yes, so you have a rectangular box on, like, both of the sides is 40 and 40, right? Initially it's of 40 and 40 length, but as in when or after there is removal of these cut pieces, you have the next resultant from, because 10 is getting removed from here, 10 from here, so 20 would be here, and over here also 20, and the height of the box would be what? The height of the box would be 10 centimeters, right? Because we are cutting this particular part, we are cutting 10 centimeters and we are folding it, we are keeping it in a perpendicular direction, so it would be somewhat like this, right? So this one would be what? This one would be 10 centimeter. Initially it was this, and we have changed its orientation, so it is now 10 centimeters, right? So what is the capacity? Capacity means the volume of the box. And how to calculate the volume of a rectangle? It is L into B into H. What is the length? Length is 20 centimeters multiplied by breadth is again 20 centimeters and height is 10 centimeters. So 20 into 20 is 400 and then 400 into 10 is 4000. So 4000 centimeter cube. Cube divide because there are 3 entities that we have multiplied together. So we'll write centimeter cube along, right? Answer is option number C. Is it clear to everyone, Shana and Khushi? I hope your concept is now clear, right? You both got the answer incorrect. So just check whether the concept is clear or not. If yes, we'll move forward to the next question. Done? Very good. 20, yes, because we are eliminating from both the sides, na? So 10 gets eliminated from here and 10 from here. So 40 minus 20, it would be 20, right? Shana, is it clear? You need to find the volume of or the capacity of the box, and for finding the capacity, we need to have length, breadth and height of the same. Okay? I hope it is clear. Let's move forward. Next question, you need to find out which of them is the or which of the following is the largest. Okay, so 4 options in front of you. You need to find out after simplifying these which one would be the largest one. Give it a try to this question now. Everyone, give it a try to this. This type of question are time and again repeated in the exam. So give it a try to this question. 6 students in the class. Give it a try. It's a very simple question. If you observe it carefully, na, it's a very simple question. If you know the main trick behind it, you'll get it in a minute. Okay, very good, very good. Others also mark the answer. So Shana is marking the answer as A, Khushi is marking B, Nisha is marking A. Okay, that means I need to make you understand this complete problem properly. You have not understood this concept. Okay, let's give it a try to this question. Okay, देखो ये क्वेश्चन ना बहुत सिंपल है. स्टार्टिंग में अभी लग रहा है कि कैसे सॉल्व होगा. देखो, if you observe carefully, जो powers हैं, whatever power is given to you, all of them have a common factor 10 with you, right? So just take 10 common from all of them and simplify it. So this is 10 to the 2 to the power 5 now, this is 3 to the power 4, this is 4 to the power 3 and this is 5 to the power 2. Just solve it and you'll get the answer, because अगर सबके अंदर कॉमन पावर 10 है, सो वी कैन ईजिली टेक इट आउट एंड सिंप्लीफाई इट एंड देन ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट, राइट? सो व्हाट इज 2 to the power 5? It is 2 into 2, right? So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 16, 32. So this one would be 32. This is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 9, 9, 81. Then 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 5 into 5, 25. So now what is the answer? Answer is option number B, that is 3 to the power 40. See this particular question, in this question you just have to remember one fact, that if the powers are similar, you can take the if the powers are having any specific factor to it, common factor to it, take that common factor and then simplify it to a level which is doable. You cannot do 2 to the power 50 in the exam. वो 3 hours चले जाएंगे, वो खत्म नहीं होगा, right? So don't do it that way. Take the power common and then easily get the answer for this. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Yes. And I am expecting all of you have understood the concept now. Nisha, Shana. Clear everyone? Very good. Okay, remember this concept. Let's move forward now. Next question, you are given 4 of the options in front of you, 4 of the Venn diagrams in front of you, and you need to find out that which of the following would represent mothers, women's and human beings. Okay, everyone give it a try to this question. This one is again analytical kind of a question, and these all questions that I am taking today are from June 2021. Sorry, they are from December 2019. Okay, December or June 2019, you can check, but it's from 2019 paper. Everyone give it a try. Okay, some of you are marking the answer as C, A or D. Everyone give it a try. 9 students are there in the class right now. Okay, so let's see. See, the question is asking you, we have to find out a diagram, we have to find out a specific representation in the terms of a Venn diagram where women's, mothers and human beings are marked down. Okay, now see, all the human beings are not just women's, there are men's as well, right? So, you cannot represent it this way, right? We cannot just represent that all the women's, like all the human beings are women's and all the women's are mothers. No, right? But we can represent it in a manner or in such a manner that you have some kind of balance between the two, right? So again, if you look into the balance kind of a thing, this is not representing women, mother and human beings in any manner, and same over here. But if you observe in this particular diagram, we can easily depict this particular thing, that in all the women's, in all the human beings, some of them are women, and out of some of them being women, so, because in the women category also not all of the women are mothers, right? Because you, me, we are also in the category of women's, but we are not yet in the category of mothers, right? So you can just correlate it that way as well. So D is the correct answer for this particular question. Okay, remember about this, that women's are mothers, but we cannot keep all the women's into the category of mothers, and women's are human beings as well, but not all the human beings are mothers, human beings are women's, right? So understand it that way, and the correct answer for this particular question then would be option number D, and not option number A or B or C. Is it clear to everyone? So this one is a bit of analytical kind of a question in which you have to put in your general knowledge or a general information to it. Clear everyone, right? Let's move forward now. This one is the next question, again an analytical question. The question is saying that there is a fictitious information about that some aliens observe that the rosters call before the sunrise every single day. Okay. Having no other information about the roster or about the sunrise, we need to find out of the 4 inferences that are given to you, you need to find which inference will not be valid. Okay, so give it a try to this, read it properly and mark the answer for this. Give it a try to this question, everyone. 12 students are there in the class right now. Thank you so much for adjusting with the timing today. I have some urgent work, but I didn't want to miss the class for you all. Yesterday also I was not able to conduct. Okay, very good. Some of you are marking the answer as B, some as C. Everyone, give it a try. Okay, let's give it a try to this question. So the question is saying that some aliens observe that the rosters are calling before the sunrise. Okay, every single day. We have just this information and nothing else. We need to find out that which of the following inference would not be valid. Inference means what conclusion can we make out of the information given to us, right? First option is roster call and sunrise may be independent cyclic events. Yes, we can say that they may be completely independent and they do not have any kind of correlation with them. Then both may be triggered by a common cause. Yes, we can say that as well. They might get triggered by the common cause and that's the reason why they are occurring in a simultaneous manner. Third, roster call may be causing the sunrise. We can infer that, we can say, we can conclude this particular thing as well, right? But the fourth one, it is saying that sunrise cannot be the cause of the roster call as the roster call precedes sunrise. This is something very absolute, and we need to find out the inference. We need to conclude something out of the fictitious information, and we cannot conclude anything solid. I cannot just say that this will happen for sure. I can predict that, but I cannot say okay, really sorry. Okay, so the answer for this is option number D, because I cannot predict anything in an absolute manner, right? I can say that maybe this is happening. Yes, I am okay. Actually, it was just I started coughing. So, first one is, it's saying that maybe it's an independent event. Second one is also saying maybe. Third one is also saying maybe. But the fourth option is saying that it is for sure happening. It is saying something in very absolute manner, and we cannot say that in terms of a fictitious experiment or in terms of any fictitious information given to us, right? So the answer for this particular question is option number D. Is it clear to everyone? It's a very simple question, but if you observe it, yes, this trick could also be used, that in all the other three maybe is given, there is only one of the option in which the absolute word is used, and you can easily eliminate that. Okay, and same goes for your part B and part C as well, specifically part C, where we have statement wise question. Remember one thing, that most of the time, like 99% of the time, in the statement wise question, absolute, like complete absolute statement in which you have a very blunt information given that this just cannot happen, or it is always happening in a specific orientation, those statements are most of the times incorrect. Okay, you can take this particular tip for your part C as well. Clear? Let's do one more question. So this particular question is, you need to find out this particular angle. Okay, and in this question there is only one information you require. You need to have a specific value of a specific property of circles to be known, and then you can easily solve this question. Okay, give it a try to this question everyone, and then I'll explain that. Give it a try to this question everyone, then we'll explain it. Okay, majority of you are getting the answer as option number C. Okay, let's see the answer for this question now. See, the question is asking you that you are given the complete information and you need to find out this angle. Okay, and over here there is just one information which you need to keep in mind, that which is a property of circle, and property of circle is that the angle subtended by the arc on the center is double the angle subtended by the arc on the circumference. Okay, and that to the external angle. Over here if you see, this one is an internal angle. For the finding out the external angle, you know the total value of a angle is 360 degrees, right? This is basic. So just edit out or just delete 360 minus 220, answer is 140, right? It will be 140. If you subtract this, you will get it 140 degrees. So this is 140. And you just need to apply the property over here, that in a circle, angle subtended by the arc on the center is double the angle subtended on the circumference. So if this is 140, this will be half of 140. So it will be 140 divided by 2, that is 70. It is the basic property of the circles. Okay, answer is option number A. None of you got the answer correct, but it's absolutely fine. Understand this concept and keep a note of this. It's very, very important. Okay, please make sure that you are doing it in a proper manner now. Okay, just check whether this particular pointer is clear to you or not. If yes, then we'll proceed further. Clear? Very good. Okay, so this was about for today's class. Before leaving the class, I would like to inform you all one thing, and that is from next week Monday I am starting off with numerical series in the marathon classes. Okay, I have decided the very first class, like on Monday, or if I might take class tomorrow also, the very first topic that we are going to do is complementation test, because I am receiving a lot of comments regarding from the students regarding that how to solve out this particular thing. So we will be doing complementation test, and what type of questions are asked in the recent year also, like June 2022, like the paper that was held in September month. The question was like you were given the various lines and you were given a number of patterns, and you need to find out the total number of cistrons, right? So on Monday we'll be doing this particular class. We'll be understanding that what is a complementation test, which is also given the name of cis-trans test. Okay, so first class would be regarding this, and I'll decide the further classes also, like depending upon which all topics are most commonly asked in the exam. Following the same, we'll have 6 numerical classes. Okay, so first class is complementation test. Make sure that you all join on time. Okay, 8 o'clock would be the timing, and if I have the class tomorrow, you will get the timing for tomorrow's class as well. Okay, and if you have any question, like any other topic you want me to discuss, you can let me know now itself. I'll make a list of the same and start working on the presentation for the same. Okay, just let me know if there's any other topic from your end which you want to do. We can do one topic on crosses as well, right? Or in the recent year there was a question in which a specific pattern of the amino acids was supposed to be found out, right? So we can do those questions as well. Tetrad analysis, I'll take it, but it is not a very difficult term. Like, it's not a topic which is commonly repeated in the exam, Shana. I know that you are asking me to solve out this particular thing. I will take this class, but for the time being, I'm concentrating upon those things which are more important for the exam point of view, because we have the exam very close. So I'm going ahead with those things which are required for the students in the priority level. Okay, any other topic you want me to take up? We can have topic of Hardy-Wingber rule as well, because in that we can have numerical, right? Red Queen, not Red Queen hypothesis, altruistic behavior, right? In that we can have Hamilton's rule. All these topics are time and again repeated in the examination, and if you all know it, that's very good. And if you have any doubt, any problem, so you can join in the next week sessions. Every day I'll try to have the class. We'll have the class on same timing, 8 o'clock, because before that I have my live classes. So at 8 o'clock we'll be having these classes. You all can join and revise properly. Okay. And if you have any, all the students who are going to watch the recordings, if you find anything that you want to get it discussed over here, be open about it and you can let me know in the comment sections afterwards as well. Okay. And for this, I want one favor from your end. You will have to share about the Botany Insider channel to as many students as possible. Share it to your class groups, share it to your friends. Please, let's increase the number, because the type of positive response that we are having right now from the students, let's take this thing to as many students as possible. Okay, so help me out to share the channel, help me out to grow the channel as much as you can, because we are working very, very hard. My complete team is working very hard on daily basis for you all. All you can do is, it's completely free of cost, just share the channel as much as you can. You just have to put it to your Instagram stories, and you can tag us, or you can share your experiences on Instagram. It would help us to grow. Okay, because that's how an online community works. Okay, so please, if you think that I am helping you, Botany Insider is helping you, please make sure that you are sharing about our channel and you're helping us grow. Okay, good luck everyone, take care, all the very best. Make sure download the application, make sure you enroll in the courses if you wish to. If you feel like you want to have structured courses, then you can join with us. Okay, all the best everyone, good luck, take care.